Salut, ça va? Welcome back to the page. Welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Afariwa. I'm a beautiful mother of two beautiful young girls and a wife. Now, in today's video, I'm only going to build up upon the letter sound that we have made. And now, this is a phase that you would want to introduce certain single letters and double letters as well as triple letters to your kid, and that is blending. So after they have gone through the letter sound, gone through, the A, B, C, D, the letters of the alphabet. Now, what you actually want to do is that you want to blend these letters together. And so it gets tricky when your child doesn't want to concentrate. But in a bit, I'm going to show you in my next video how you can get your child to concentrate. It's normal. It's a bit difficult. I don't even say a bit. It's really difficult to get your child to concentrate. But if you want your child to concentrate, the 4 months period when we decided to do this, we actually made her stay away from television. And so it was a constant effort, and it was a very difficult one for us because we had actually made her start watching TV, but the kind of TV that she was watching was that educative cartoon. And so she was able to pick up a lot of things. And so it actually made sense when we decided to be the first teacher, and that, we had closed on her every cartoon that she used to watch. We're able to get, her concentration, her focus, her alertness, and that did the trick. And so, yeah, in a moment, if your child is not concentrating, you just don't want to also overload them. You can just take it a step at a time. And so you can just start with, a blend of just two letters. For instance, if I want her to say ba, that is b, a, then she would just put together the letter sound of B and the letter sound of A, and that makes it. And then afterward, when you see that the child is progressing, then you'd want to just add another letter to it so that it will be 3 letter words. And so, as you can see, there's a compilation of 3 words. And actually, what we also did again was that we had to identify and separate the vowels from the consonants. And so we're making 3 letter words out of the vowels: the A, E, I, O, U. That was what we're doing, so that she'll be able to actually establish the difference between these two, and the long pronunciation, the long vowels, and then you know and all that. So as we advance forward, you're going to see most of what we're talking about, and at the end of the video, as usual, you will see how she was able to mention these words. If you found it informative, if you found it more useful, if you found today's session also a great one, yeah, feel free to share with young moms, feel free to share with your family, feel free to share with teachers and caregivers who actually want to get babies or toddlers, reading at a very younger age. Yes, and as usual, remember that if Nanefria was able to do that, then your kid can also be able to do that by dint of hard work and consistency. Okay, so you just have to just realize that this is not a sprint race, okay? This is not just for the swift. This is a marathon, okay? And so you can take your time, take the time for the kid to just grab everything, and do not rush or force it on them. Otherwise, you would just take their interest out. It can be frustrating when kids are not acting the way that you want them to act. And so you just don't want to lose them, because you're just forcing them to learn. Otherwise, when they see you, they'll just be running away. You don't want that. And so just take it a step at a time, and, with time, it will come around and you see the results that you need. Anyway, guys, this is where we end the video. And so have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye.
It is time for the letter sound. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good. Let's do this.
Ba,
Mm-hmm.
B,
Mm-hmm.
B,
Mm-hmm.
ba,
Mm-hmm.
ba.
Good girl. Da da di da da. Let's go.
Da, da, da,
Da.
da.
Da when he.
Da,
Mm-hmm.
da,
Mm-hmm.
de,
Mm-hmm.
da,
Mm-hmm.
da.
Good girl. Let's do it again. Fa.
Fa,
Mm-hmm.
fi,
Mm-hmm.
fi,
Mm-hmm.
fo,
Mm-hmm.
fo.
Beautiful. Let's do ga. Ga.
Ga,
Mm-hmm.
ge,
Mm-hmm.
gi,
Mm-hmm.
ge,
Mm-hmm.
ge.
Beautiful. Let's do ha.
Ha,
Mm-hmm.
he,
Mm-hmm.
he,
Mm-hmm.
ha,
Mm-hmm.
ha.
Great job. Let's do ja. 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 Ja.
Ja,
Mm-hmm.
je,
Mm-hmm.
ji,
Mm-hmm.
je,
Mm-hmm.
je.
Great job. Let's do ka. Ka. Ka.
Ka,
Mm-hmm.
ki,
Mm-hmm.
ka,
No. Start again. Let's do ka. Mm-hmm.
ka,
Mm-hmm.
ka,
Mm-hmm.
ki,
Mm-hmm.
ka,
Mm-hmm.
ka.
Beautiful. Let's do this.
La,
Mm-hmm.
la,
Mm-hmm.
li,
Mm-hmm.
la,
Mm-hmm.
la.
Beautiful. I fade down the paper now. Flip the paper. Turn the paper. Good girl. Yes. So, yeah, baba, yeah, ma. Teacher me.
Ma,
Mm-hmm.
me,
Mm-hmm.
me,
Mm-hmm.
ma,
Mm-hmm.
ma.
Beautiful. Okay, na.
Na,
Mm-hmm.
na,
Mm-hmm.
ne,
Uh-huh.
ne,
Uh-huh. No.
na,
Mm-hmm.
ne.
Good girl. Okay, yan ko kwa. Kwa. Kwa.
Kwa,
Uh-huh.
kwa,
Uh-huh.
kwe,
Mm-hmm.
kwa,
Mm-hmm.
kwa.
Good girl. Ra. Ra. Ra.
Wa,
Mm-hmm.
wa,
Mm-hmm.
re,
Mm-hmm.
wa,
Mm-hmm. Again, shall I say bium?
wa,
Shall I say ra?
wa,
Mm-hmm.
wa,
Mm-hmm. Re.
re,
Mm-hmm.
wa,
Mm-hmm.
wa.
Good girl. Papa writing, now you're confused. It's okay. Sa. 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 Sa.
Sa,
Mm-hmm.
se,
Mm-hmm.
se,
So eh. Mm-hmm.
se,
Mm-hmm. So.
so,
Mm-hmm.
so.
Good girl. Ta. 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 Ta.
Ta,
Mm-hmm.
te,
Mm-hmm.
te,
Mm-hmm.
ta,
Mm-hmm.
ta.
Beautiful. Va. 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 Va.
Va,
Mm-hmm.
re,
Mm-hmm.
re,
Mm-hmm.
va,
Mm-hmm.
va,
Great job. Wa. Wa. Wa.
va,
Uh-huh.
va,
Mm-hmm.
re,
Mm-hmm.
va,
Mm-hmm.
va.
Great job. Bravo. High five. High five. High five. Give me a high five. Good girl. Oh my God. What I do? Why I do pa? What bre? Bre. When you do? Moça, makisle. Why you do pa? Good girl. Yeah, baby. Words. Okay. What is this?
House,
Good girl. Fox. You're spelling it saying
fox,
fox. You're spelling it.
ow,
Mm-hmm.
x,
Good girl. Good girl. What is this?
Wheel.
Good girl. Winnie, spelling the same.
Mm.
Win.
Wheel.
Good girl. What is this? Fatuho. Put it down. Kahun.
Dog.
Beautiful. Dog, yes, spelling the same.
Dog. Go. Dog.
Beautiful. What is this?
A. Sit.
Beautiful. When to see a ding.
A. Go. Fake.
Beautiful. When to see a ding.
Big. Book. A. Do. Big.
Bad. Good girl. When to see a ding.
Book.
Mhm.
A.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mask.
Beautiful. Great job. When to see a ding. Mhm.
A.
Mhm. Mhm.
Sun.
Beautiful. When to see a ding.
Book.
Mhm.
A.
Mhm.
Go.
Mhm.
Big.
Beautiful. Great job. When to see a ding. Mhm.
A.
Mhm. Mhm.
Cat.
Beautiful. High five. High five. High five. Great job. How old are you? Good girl. What I do? Bonsem. Kiss me, I do. Bonsem. Wow.